Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Miyoo Mini. First, ensure your device is fully charged. This prevents interruptions during the setup process. Next, carefully insert a reliable micro SD card into the designated slot. Power on your Miyoo Mini to confirm it boots up correctly, ensuring the screen displays the initial interface. This quick check confirms your device is ready for the next steps. Now, let's prepare your micro SD card. Connect it to your computer and format it to FAT32. This is crucial for the Miyoo Mini to recognize it. Then, download the most recent custom firmware, like Onion OS, from a trusted source. Once downloaded, extract all the firmware files directly onto the root of your newly formatted micro SD card. Do not place them in a subfolder. With the firmware files on your card, reinsert the micro SD card into your Miyoo Mini. Power on the device, and it should automatically begin installing the custom firmware. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once installed, connect the card to your computer again and transfer your game ROMs into the appropriate system folders, like SNES or GBA. Finally, safely eject the micro SD card from your computer and reinsert it into your Miyoo Mini. Power it on, and you should now see your custom firmware interface. Explore the menus, find your game libraries, and start playing your favorite retro titles. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy countless hours of portable gaming fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.